Namaste or Assalamu alaikum dosto from here in Karachi in Pakistan. And behind me, this is Empress Market, named after Queen Victoria, built by the British. But they built this market for a very dark reason. Right here on this ground, British forces carried out brutal public executions of freedom fighters in the aftermath of the 1857 rebellion against colonial rule. Some were hanged, while others were tied to the mouths of cannons and blown apart. So Empress Market was built to bury that history and stop people from honoring the martyrs. Let's go for a quick walking tour inside and see what's going on there, see how much it's changed. It certainly stands out, right? Definitely stands out here in Karachi. Karachi looks a little bit, I don't want to anger the locals, but it's rustic. It's rustic. Is that the word, rustic? It needs some TLC, some tender loving care. All right, let's go inside and see what's happening in Empress Market these days.
It's very good.
This is honey, you know?
Huh?
Honey. Honey. This guy's taking his motorcycle. Where you going, buddy? This guy's churning something. ये क्या है जी? क्या बना रहे हैं?
वेस्टेज ऑफ सरसों.
Oh,
मस्टर्ड.
हाँ, सरसों.
मस्टर्ड है.
Oh, okay, he's making mustard oil. सरसों के तेल.
Yes.
समझ गया. And there's all sorts of chutneys here as well. Okay, this guy's chutney store and oil store. Wow. Rice, peanuts, utensils. कैसे आप जी?
Bug killer, red killer.
Oh yeah, bug killer.
Also.
Nice. So for killing cockroaches, rats, all sorts of things. Thank you, G. Whoa, look at this. Man, this is different in here. This is very different. It's the vegetable market, I think. And this guy's making coconut oil.
Yes.
Amazing, man. Look at him. He's making coconut oil right here.
This is a very old machine.
नारियल का तेल है ना?
नारियल का तेल. Coconut oil.
आप यही कहते हैं ना?
हाँ, यही कहते हैं, coconut oil.
This is amazing.
This is such amazing.
ये
In modern life.
पकीज़ा है ना ये?
Yeah.
ये कितने रुपए है 1 लीटर?
1 लीटर जो है 1200 का.
1200. 1200 rupees.
Original coconut, and then you mixing and
Yeah,
finishing this side.
it's pure, है ना? ये आपका दुकान है?
No, he is owner.
अच्छा, समझ गया. That's amazing.
And his labor charges is rupees 300.
300 or 1200?
Total 1500. 1,500.
Oh, okay. It's 1,500 rupees. Sorry.
Where did you come here?
Oh, New Zealand.
Oh, New Zealand.
Yeah, मैं घूम रहा हूँ कराची में.
अच्छा. How many time you spent here?
Oh, 2 days.
2 days.
Yeah, 2 days so far.
Further, how many time you have attention to spend here?
ये क्या है?
Samosa.
Oh, samosa. Samosa बेच रहे हैं ना?
Yeah, samosa.
बहुत अच्छा जी. So he's selling samosas and all sorts of like fried goods. This dude. ठीक है, आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा.
Thank you.
Allah Hafiz.
I will give it to meet you.
Thank you, brother. The people are very friendly here. This is Sabzi Mandi, the vegetable market. Pasta, if you feel like Italian. I mean, this is fun walking around here, honestly. Nariyal, all sorts of coconuts. क्या हाल है जी? एक पानी वाला नारियल कितने रुपए?
250 रुपए, 350 रुपए, 400.
Oh, these are the ones, These are the big ones you want. 400, so 400 rupees. Thank you. Look, there's cats down here. Look at this little cat. क्या हाल है?
माशाल्लाह।
ठीक है,
How are you?
बहुत अच्छा। आप अंग्रेजी बोल सकते हैं?
अच्छा।
आप
Good name?
मेरा नाम Karl है।
Oh, माशाल्लाह।
I'm in everybody's way here.
पाकिस्तान का माशाल्लाह।
मैं घूम रहा हूँ बस, देख रहा हूँ।
Good, माशाल्लाह।
आप क्या कर रहे हैं अभी?
अभी हम सब्जी ले रहे हैं।
अच्छा।
अभी आपको चाय वगैरह पिलाएं, आपको खाना वगैरह खिलाएं?
अभी नहीं, मैंने 4 कप पिया अभी। 4 कप और खाना खाया।
Where you live?
न्यूजीलैंड।
Oh, माशाल्लाह।
हाँ जी। हाँ, क्योंकि मेरी बीवी हिंदी बोलती है।
हिंदी में उर्दू भी।
हाँ, सेम।
इनके कितने बने भाई?
ठीक है, आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा।
ओके ओके।
अल्लाह हाफिज़।
अल्लाह हाफिज़।
Oh my God, so many flies here because the meat shop is here. Let's have a quick look and try not to ingest flies. If I eat a fly, oh my God. बहुत मक्खी यार. Whoa. Oh, chicken बेच रहे हैं. No wonder there's so many flies here. Bye, Allah Hafiz. There's chickens even down here as well. What a market, man. This is different. Cups, chicken, हाँ. मैंने देखा. बहुत chicken है यार.
हाँ, बहुत अच्छे चिकन है दादा।
आप कहाँ से हैं?
ये स्वाद के।
SWAT? मैं गया.
क्या की दादा?
मालूम जॉब गया.
अच्छा माशाल्लाह।
SWAT गया. मिंगोर.
हाँ मिंगोरा।
हाँ गया.
मिंगोरा से आगे मोटे स्वाद बिना मैं उस चिकन के।
जी.
मोटे स्वाद।
ये SWAT सबसे सुंदर जगह है यार.
जगह तो
बहुत
सही है,
सुंदर.
क्या करो अभी सर्दी कम मम्मी नहीं है ना।
आप कराची में क्यों हैं?
वो उधर काम नहीं आता ना, इधर पैसा कमाते उधर बच्चों के लिए भेजते हैं।
समझ गया. गुड. ठीक है. आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा. अल्लाह हाफिज़. बाय. अल्लाह हाफिज़. हेलो जी. So a lot of people always say you don't see women around, but there are women here, obviously, at this market shopping. It's because there's separate places for women and men here. Like in a restaurant, for example, there's a whole family section where the women sit. So I'll never see a woman at a restaurant, for example, because they're up in the women's section or the family section. But at local markets, you'll see them. More chicken. Spices. क्या हाल है? ठीक है? This guy's got the samosas. Hi, अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
वालेकुम सलाम सर.
मैं घूम रहा हूँ बस.
अच्छा.
ये मसाले, आप मसाले बेचते हैं?
जी.
चिकन मसाले.
चिकन फ्लेवर.
टिक्का बोटी मसाला.
बोटी, आलू पराठा एंड फिश मसाला, शामी कबाब, चिकन
निहारी मसाला.
तंदूरी अचार गोश्त. दिस क्रोशी शॉप केजी एंड क्रोशी.
समझ गया. और ये turmeric है.
हाँ, टर्मरिक एंड कोरिएंडर.
I can smell it. It's going in my mouth. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. Ginger, garlic, mirch. And this is the backside. The backside of Empress Market. Let's go back inside, huh? Oh, what's in here? Okay, looks like it's a wholesale chicken market inside here. A wholesale meat market. Wow. Kaleji, eh? This is liver. Yeah, gomas, yeah, chicken. Cow liver. And intestine and stomach, I think, as well. And hoof. You can buy a hoof as well. There's a dog in here. You don't see many dogs in Pakistan. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum जी. क्या हाल है? कैसे? That's tongue, beef tongue. Wow, I don't know what this hoof is. Amazing, man. Beef है? समझ गया. And goat. एक minute. He's selling goat.
छोटा वफलू
नहीं यार.
छोटा वफलू स्मॉल
Okay. कैसे आप? ठीक है.
स्मॉल पीस 1 pieces.
Look at this cat. Hello. Assalamu alaikum ji. Hello. Look at this cat, man. Very cute.
Mano
Bye.
now.
What are you shopping for, man?
I'm shopping for the pie legs.
Oh, paya.
Yeah.
Nice, man. This cat has become my friend. Hello. Hi. Hello.
So how is your experience till now?
Good, man.
Good.
Good.
It is great to welcome you here.
Thank you, man. Okay, bro. Nice to meet you. I hope
Thank
you have
you.
a nice paya.
Take care.
Allah Hafiz. This is just amazing, man. People are good here. Quick pause. I'm curious what you guys are noticing here, because markets like this, they look completely different depending on where you're from. Some people see chaos, some see community, some see problems, and others, like me, it just looks like normal daily life. So let me know in the comments what stands out to you the most so far. Back into the center of the market here. Man, meeting a lot of friendly people, that's for sure. A lot of sweet people. He's selling chai? ये चाय है ना? चाय पार्टी? अच्छा. ये चाय कहाँ से है? Kenya. So this tea is all from Kenya. They import most of their tea here in Pakistan. It's like one of the biggest imports for the country. Thank you, Ji. Everyone smiles here as well. It's nice. Let's go off this side street and see what's happening. See, this is the whole kind of middle section of the market. कुछ नहीं घूम रहा हूँ भाई. He said, well, like, what's happening? Because I was kind of blocking the way.
Ladies.
Wow, what is this now? This is like nuts and dates. And this is like gur, is sugar, like unrefined sugar. Let's check out this side of the market. क्या बेच रहे हैं जी?
तेल है सब
तेल. कौन सी तेल आपके पास है?
कोपरा सरसों बादाम रोजमेरी कलौंजी ज़ैतून कौन सा होना चाहिए?
मुझे नहीं चाहिए, लेकिन अच्छा दिखता है.
अच्छा
ये नारियल.
नारियल का ये वाला
Oh, that's naryal. This is coconut.
कोकोनट
बहुत अच्छा है जी. Thank you. This is the back. This is another side. We'll go back inside. This guy's brought his motorcycle inside. वालेकुम अस्सलाम जी. कैसे आप? आप क्या बेचते हैं?
हम हर चीज़ बेचते हैं लगा.
Nice nuts, fruit. बोराचा. Bye.
किधर यार सामान नहीं चाहिए?
नहीं, मैं घूम रहा हूँ ना, मैं घूम रहा हूँ. न्यूजीलैंड.
न्यूजीलैंड. सही उर्दू में.
ये क्या है?
हाँ?
ये क्या है?
ये पट्टा है हमारे गांव का.
अच्छा.
देशी है हमारा. पाकिस्तान का.
अच्छा. Good man, good. Okay, bye. Thank you.
Yes.
Oh, yum, more spices. Smells good, man. Smells nice. Acha khushbu. Masale se.
Excellent quality.
Looks good. It looks good.
Good.
Oh, they're even doing What are you
Murabba.
making? What do you say?
Murabba.
Sugar dip.
Yeah, sugar dipped
Sugar.
apple. Nice. Nice store. You have a nice store, man. All the spices.
Nice shop, mashallah.
Bora chai.
पूरा अच्छा है
थोड़ी सी उर्दू बोल सकता हूँ.
अच्छी बात है बोलो
शुक्र. क्या हाल है जी?
तो वो आपका बहुत वीडियो में देखता है
अच्छा. Really?
बहुत ज़बरदस्त है।
Thank you
आपका
जी.
वाइफ इंडियन
हाँ, आपको मालूम है? वाह, क्या बात है
क्या
यार.
आप उधर सवाद
जी
आपका गिलगित
जी.
आप चाय पिएगा हमारे से
मैंने 4 चाय पिया. अभी तो नहीं पी सकता हूँ.
पेप्सी
कुछ नहीं, कुछ नहीं, कुछ नहीं.
और आप ठीक है
हाँ बिल्कुल, मैं घूम रहा हूँ, देख रहा हूँ.
वीडियो देखो माशाल्लाह बहुत ज़बरदस्त है
हाँ, पाकिस्तान में, हिंदुस्तान में, दोनों.
दोनों का वीडियो आपका
मैं दिल्ली में रहता हूँ मेरी बीवी के साथ.
मैं आपको सब आपकी वाइफ को भी देखा माशाल्लाह
आपका नाम क्या है?
महमूद नाम है
महमूद. और आपका दुकान का नाम क्या है?
गुड लक मसाला
क्या? Good luck.
गुड लक मसाला
Okay, this is Good Luck Masala. You come here, he's a subscriber. Nice to meet you, sir. Shukra. You know, from the outside it looks very run down, but you know, inside it's good people. And the quality of stuff looks good too. Oh man, that was cool. Karachi people are sweet. And that was just such a nice market to walk around, you know.